Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you looked at your bank statement and actually felt in control? Most people don't. They work hard, earn well, and yet at the end of the month, there is nothing left. The money just disappears. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to show you how to take control of your money in just 3 simple steps. No complicated spreadsheets, no financial jargon, just a system that works. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear, practical framework to track where your money goes, to allocate it purposefully, and finally, start moving towards your financial goals, whether that is saving for your kids' education, building your first investment property, or simply having peace of mind at the end of every month. For over 20 years, I've helped thousands of professionals here in Kenya, from banks, NGOs, tech firms, and even the UN, transform their financial habits through my financial freedom coaching program. And one thing I've learned is this: it's not about how much you earn, it's about how intentionally you manage it. If you would like ongoing guidance and access to deeper insights, I've prepared a free report called The Biggest Secret. It reveals the #1 shift that separates the financially free from the financially trapped. The link to join my mailing list and get your free copy is in the description below. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and also ring the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let's jump right into it. You see, most people think of budgeting and tracking money as punishment, like being on a diet. But in reality, it's the opposite. When you take control of your money, you gain freedom. Freedom to choose, freedom to plan, freedom to stop worrying. So let's break down this system into 3 simple, powerful steps. Step number 1, track every shilling, because awareness is power. The first step to taking control is knowing exactly where your money goes. Because what you don't track, you can't control. Most professionals I coach are shocked when they finally add it all up. The Uber rides, the weekends out, the impulsive online orders, the small M-Pesa charges that add up to thousands every month. When you track your spending, you realize your problem isn't income, it's leakage. Imagine you buying a cappuccino every morning on your way to work, say at 400 shillings. That's about 12,000 shillings a month, or 144,000 a year. Now imagine if you had invested the same amount monthly in a money market fund earning 10% a year. In 10 years, that small coffee habit would have become 2.7 million shillings. That's the power of awareness. There are 2 easy methods of tracking that work beautifully. Option number 1. This is the 3-account rule. Create 3 main accounts or categories in your mind or on paper. The first one is income account, where your salary or business income comes in. The second one is a spending account for daily expenses. And then the third one, a savings/investment account, where money for goals is automatically transferred on payday. You don't need fancy apps, just discipline and separation. Option number 2, the expense tracker approach. For 1 month, track every single expense. Use a notebook, your phone's notes app, or apps like Mint or Money Manager. At the end of the month, group your spending into categories. These categories could be housing, food and groceries, transportation, entertainment, school fees, savings, and miscellaneous expenses. Then calculate percentages. You might discover, for example, that you spend 40% of your income on lifestyle and only 5% on savings. Once you see it, you can change it. Remember, clarity precedes control. Step number 2, create a purpose-driven budget. Tell your money where to go. Most people think of a budget as a restriction. I see it differently. A good budget is a strategy. Your plan for how your money will create the life that you want. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will always go, and it will go somewhere you didn't plan. Here is a simple formula that works beautifully for professionals in Kenya. 50% for needs, that is rent, utilities, food, school fees, insurance, loan repayments, and so on. 30% for wants, lifestyle, leisure, personal enjoyment, and so on. 20% for savings and investments, that is for your future. But this is just a starting point. The magic really happens when you personalize it. For example, if you are planning to buy land or invest in real estate, you might adjust that percentage to 40, 30, 30, thereby increasing your investment portion. The key is not perfection, it's intentionality. So this is how you build it step by step. You start with your net income. Write down your take-home pay after tax and deductions. List your fixed expenses. Those are rent, utilities, car loan, school fees, and so on. Add variable expenses, that's fuel, subscriptions, entertainment, and such like. And then identify your financial goals. This could be an emergency fund, an investment fund, debt reduction, and so on. Then allocate funds intentionally. Don't just guess. Assign percentages or amounts to each category. Now here is a pro tip. Budget by priority, not habit. Just because you have always spent 10,000 shillings on eating out doesn't mean you should. Start questioning every line. Is this expense helping me move towards my goals, or is it keeping me stuck? When you start budgeting with purpose, every shilling begins working for you, not against you. Step number 3 is to set the financial goals. Give your money a mission. Goals are the bridge between discipline and reward. Without goals, even the best budget feels pointless. You are saving aimlessly, and then you save aimlessly, then withdraw it for something random. But with clear, exciting goals, you become motivated to save. How to set smart financial goals? Use the SMART system, but make it personal and emotional. Let's say you want to build your first investment property in 5 years. Be specific. I want to build a 6-unit apartment block in Ruiru. Make it measurable. The total cost will be 15 million shillings. It has to be achievable. I will start by buying land in year 1, and then I'll begin building in year 3. Make it relevant to your needs. It will provide income for my family's future. Make it time bound. I need to finish the project in 5 years. Then break it down. If you need 3 million shillings for the land in 1 year, that's 250 per month. Maybe you can't hit that immediately, but it gives you a target to build towards. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. And a bonus tip: automate success. Once you have your goals, automate them. Set up automatic transfers on paydays. If your salary hits your account on the 28th of the month, have your bank move that amount to your savings or investment account the same day. This is called paying yourself first. It's not what's left after spending. It's what you prioritize before spending. Because here is the truth. If you wait to save what's left, there will never be anything left. Automation removes emotion, no temptation, no second guessing. Bonus tip number 2, the weekly 10-minute money check. Every Sunday evening, before the week begins, sit down and review. What did I spend this week? What expenses are coming up? Am I still aligned with my monthly plan? It takes less than 10 minutes, but it keeps you connected and in control. This is how financially successful people think. They don't leave their money to chance. They stay in the driver's seat. Now, I would love to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge that you face when it comes to managing your money? Is it tracking, budgeting, or goal setting? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single comment, and your experience might help somebody else too. Let's recap the 3 simple steps. Number 1, track every shilling. Awareness is the first step to control. Number 2, create a purpose-driven budget. Tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. And number 3, set clear goals. Give your money a mission that aligns with your dreams. You don't need a finance degree or a massive income. You just need a system. And once you start, something powerful happens. You stop feeling like money controls you, and you start realizing that you are in charge. That's when true financial freedom begins. But there is one more layer that ties all these together, and I've captured it in a short free guide that's called The Biggest Secret. It reveals a mindset shift that helps high-earning professionals finally build wealth that lasts, not just income that disappears. Join my mailing list in the link below and get your free copy of The Biggest Secret instantly. Inside, I'll show you the 1 strategy I teach in my financial freedom coaching program that helps people move from paycheck anxiety to true financial independence. Take that next step. It could be the beginning of your transformation. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, share it with a friend or colleague, and subscribe to the channel. Because here is the truth. No one ever built wealth by accident. It takes clarity, consistency, and the courage to take control. Thank you for watching. I am Manyara Kirago, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll go deeper into how to build wealth that lasts.